Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani and we got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. First up, the AI hardware market is witnessing a major shift as AMD and Intel intensify competition with Nvidia in the fast-growing AI interfacing segment. While Nvidia's GPUs dominate AI training workload, their high cost have promoted enterprises to explore AMD and Intel's cost-effective, energy-efficient alternatives. AI interfacing, which involves deploying trained model for real-time decision-making, is poised to surpass training in demand driven by application in edge devices like IoT system and autonomous vehicles. AMD's MI300 GPU and Intel's advanced CPUs are gaining traction, challenging Nvidia's market supremacy. Analysts predict that interfacing could redefine the AI hardware market, with enterprises prioritizing scalability and efficiency. The Uttar Pradesh government is deploying cutting-edge technology to manage Mahakumbh 2025, expecting a record footfall of 450 million pilgrims. AI-enabled cameras, RFID wristband and app-based tracking will ensure efficient crowd management and safety. Pilgrims will benefit from multilingual digital services including an AI chatbot in 11 languages, QR-based passes and a digital lost and found center. Drone surveillance, automated ration system and real-time project monitoring software will further streamline the event's logistics. 44 ghats, including 9 newly constructed ones, will accommodate the massive influx of visitors. With aerial flower showers, multilingual signage and integration with Google Maps, Mahakumbh aims to be fully digital and sustainable event. Now, the Indian IT sector is optimistic about robust growth in 2025, fueled by increased investment in AI, cloud computing and cybersecurity. NASSCOM projects a rebound by late 2025, supported by global stability, improved tech spending. Generative AI is expected to redefine industries, driving intelligent automation and personalized customer experiences. Tier 2 cities are emerging as hubs for AI, machine learning and cybersecurity talent. The IPO market is also thriving, with startups like Zepto and Pine Labs preparing for public listing and strong investor confidence. Experts predict the return of directionary tech spending in sectors like BFSI and retail by the second half of financial year 26. Now, before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top on all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. A survey by Eagle Hill Consulting reveals that AI adoption in US workplaces remains limited, with only 12% of employees using AI daily and 58% never using it. Lack of structured training is cited as a significant barrier. 65% of users rely on self-teaching and only 31% receive employer-provided instruction. The study also highlights gender and generational disparities, with women being hesitant to adopt AI and millennials leading usage rates at 41%. Employees suggest clearer policies, dedicated training, and time to explore AI tools as a way to increase accessibility. Experts emphasize that, like earlier transformative technologies such as email and the internet, AI integration will require time, effort, and trust building. Organizations are encouraged to offer education, communicate benefits, and foster collaboration to enhance AI adoption, paving the way for greater productivity and workplace innovation. Adaptive cardiac devices are transforming the management of heart diseases by providing real-time monitoring and dynamic therapy adjustment. Unlike traditional pacemaker, these advanced devices use AI to analyze heart activity and tailor intervention to individual needs. The personalized approach ensures treatments align with patients' evolving condition, offering continuous care and improved outcome. According to global data, the cardiovascular device market is projected to grow from $84.8 billion in 2023 to $140 billion by 2033, driven by the increasing adoption of AI-driven solutions. Wearable monitors like ECG-enabled smartwatches complement these innovations, creating a comprehensive framework for cardiac health management. Experts believe these advancements signal a shift towards precision medicine, enhancing patient care and offering renewed hope for millions affected by heart disease worldwide. India's central government has rolled out with ambitious India's AI mission, with a budget of Rs 10,372 crore to enhance the nation's AI capabilities. This initiative encompasses the India's AI dataset platform, innovation hubs, GPU infrastructure, skill building programs, and startup support. From January 2025, the government will collect non-personal dataset to create a centralized database accessible to startups, researchers, and companies for deploying AI solutions. Maharashtra has highlighted the importance of aligning its state-level ambition with the national program to remain competitive in the global AI landscape. Officials believe AI will drive economic growth, generate jobs, and secure India's position in global AI market. The US Treasury Department has sanctioned Iran's Cognitive Design Production Center and Russia's Center for Geopolitical Expertise for attempting to influence the 2024 presidential election. Both entities linked to the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps and Russia's GRU intelligence intelligence agencies allegedly launched disinformation campaign to sow political discord in the US. This follows months of cyber attacks, phishing campaigns, and data breaches attributed to these organizations. Iran's effort reportedly targeted US officials and sensitive election data, while Russia's CGE focused on sabotage and cyber warfare. These actions build on earlier sanctions against individuals and groups involved in similar interface during 2020 election. That's all for this week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.